Hello there, Rumi! Welcome back to Level's Playroom! Nandito na naman si ate para kayo'y... Huh? Message from Ma'am Abriel? Ano kaya yun? Tara, let's check!
Wow!
Super excited na kami sa shop na matapos ang project na to, kaya tara, let's make it happen! Tada! Here are the materials we need for Ma'am Abriel's personalized keychain. First is beads. And since pag-usapan namin na Sanrio characters ang theme, kaya we'll be using mixed beads. Next is scissors. Tandaan, mag-ingat sa paggamit ng gunting. Ito naman yung tinatawag natin na accessory chain. Pwede rin itong gamitin sa necklace and bracelet. Kailangan din pala natin ng ruler and accessory glue. And for the tools, I have here two types of accessory pliers. This is called side cutter and this is the round nose. Honestly speaking, mas appropriate itong gamitin pang curve ng mga metal wires dahil maiiwasan nating masugatan yung wire. We also need this set of stainless steel rings and pins. Sa gagawin nating keychains, may 3 parts at itong part na to yung unahin natin. Let's get the jump ring, then yung ating round nose pliers, tapos i-open lang natin ng kaunti yung ring. Mas maganda kung gagamitin rin natin yung side cutter or other pliers for support. Then get the chain, ipasok lang sa jump ring, then next is yung pendant, then with the help ng pliers, itwist lang natin yung ring para ma-lock. Lagyan na lang din natin ng ring sa dulong part ng chain.
Okay!
Alright, we have the first part, tas itabi muna natin para we'll proceed sa second part. Next naman is this part. Here we'll be using nylon as additional material. Ito ay may sukat na 15 inches. We'll get the ring, tapos ilulusot natin sa butas ng nylon. Hanapin natin yung pinakagitna, then pagsugpungin natin yung both ends ng nylon. At dito na tayo magsisimulang magpasok ng beads. And finally, natapos na natin yung name ni Ma'am Abriel. And ang next naman, kukuha tayo ng connector clasp. Sa butas na to, natin ipapasok yung magkabilang dulo ng nylon. Sa papalabas na direksyon, saka natin hilain kapag na-make sure mo na Rumi na nasa dulo na yung clasp, bahagya mo itong ibuka pagkatapos ay buhulin at higpitan. Gupitin lang natin yung magkabilang dulo ng nylon using scissors. Then use lighter para i-seal like this. And apply glue. Close it with the use of clip at hayaan lang muna natin na matuyo. And last but not the least is this part. Here gagamit naman tayo ng stainless eye pins. Get an eye pin at mag-start na tayong magpasok ng beads. Ang gagawin naman natin sa sobrang part na to ay ikakat using side cutter. Dapat hindi mo rumisasagarin yung pagkat, okay? Magtitira kayo ng sapat na space para mabend yung wire mamaya to form a circle. Now let's get the round nose at simulan na nating i-bend yung eye pin pa circle para ma-lock. And there you go! Finish na yung first part. Tara, gawin pa natin yung dalawa. At habang tinatapos natin to, nais pala naming i-welcome ang mga bago nating roomies! Hi to Jenica, Avril, Sunny, Marian, and Kylie! And we're also dedicating this content to Ma'am Abriel for giving us brilliant ideas for shop's improvement. Thank you so much sa walang sawang pag-support sa amin dito sa Level! Now finish na yung second set, let's do the third! And here's the result. Ngayon naman, let's connect the parts using jump rings. Get the pliers and twist the ring para ma-open. Let's get our first set and ipasok lang natin sa jump ring and sunod naman nating i-connect yung second set. Tapos let's twist it para ma-lock. Next naman, i-connect na natin yung third set. And to add final touch, lagyan natin ng butterfly sa dulo. And tada! Done na yung parts. Now ang last procedures to assemble it sa keychain rope. Get the second part, twist the ring na naka-attach sa nylon. Let's get the keychain rope and ipasok natin yung second part. I-process naman natin yung first and third part. Let's get the ring, then twist it para ma-open. Let's get the third part, connect natin sa second part, then the last is first part, then let's lock. And for the final touch, ilagay na natin si My Melody. I-connect lang natin yung ring sa clasp. Sunod, kunin natin si My Melody, saka natin i-lock. Finish na ang personalized Sanrio theme keychain ni Ma'am Abriel. Sana po magustuhan niyo yung design.
Welcome to the world of label.
At kung talagang nagustuhan... Si Ma'am? Let's check her feedback. Nasend ko na kasi sa kanya yung pictures ng order niya kanina.
Mission complete.
Thank you so much po, our dear client, for helping us to grow. And also please hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell below. And follow us on our social media accounts here and here para naman palagi tayo magkukumustahan sa bawat tutorials na i-upload namin dito sa Labels Playroom. Thank you so much, we love you, and God bless you all!